What are your business goals? I am referring to the target your business plans to achieve in a certain period of time. Yes, it could be long term, it could be short term. Yeah, but what are your business goals? I remember when I started college, I had this target, I had this goal, particularly not to ever fail a course. Yes, first class was never my business, and then I was intentional and I never failed any course. So for you, what is your business goal? So when we talk about business goals, there are targets I've said earlier on. So now, your financial targets. You think about it, your growth targets, employees targets, and progress targets. What are you thinking of? What do you want to achieve? For financial targets, for your financial goal, what exactly are you planning to achieve here? How much do you intend to make in a month, in a week, daily basis? Do you have a goal? Do you even know what you're doing? It's just a speculation. What do you want to do? What do you want to achieve? Speculate, work towards that and get it done. Targets, very important for business owners. And then for growth, aim to expand. For growth, aim to expand your business. You start a business with intentions of growing from one place to another, stepping from one step to another, and so on and so forth. So never plan to stay on one spot. Plan to expand. For employees' goals, the employees' business goal, have you worked towards career advancement for your employees? Make life work balance. Work towards that and let them enjoy working with you. It's not just about your business. Yeah. The workers, employees next of the business. So you have to think of that. Put them in your plan. Your goal. Yes, employees are one of them. So now we move to process. Process. What are you doing? Yes. What do you plan to do to optimize the balance? Yeah. Moving from one spot to another. Set a goal for your business today. Yeah. Subscribe to my channel for more updates on business. Whatever you want to hear, business ideas, updates, tips, hacks, you have it all here. So subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.